Hello, I'm DriveMaster, your driving instructor. Today we're going to learn how to reverse park at an angle. It's very easy if you know all the rules. Last time we talked about how to do forward angle parking. I leave the link in the description below this video. Subscribe to the channel and we'll get started. Please note, when selecting the starting position for parking, it should be taken into account that the vehicle is more maneuverable when moving backwards. Therefore, you can easily park in a fairly narrow part of the road. However, the further away you are from the parking space, the easier it will be to park. Okay, step 1. Find an available parking space. Step 2. Take the correct position on the road. We'll use the side mirrors for orientation. Move forward slowly until your right side mirror aligns with the parking space start line. Step 3. Be sure to turn on your right turn signal so that other drivers know what you will do next. Look in your side mirrors and make sure you are not in anyone's way or causing an accident. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and slowly start driving until you are parallel to the parking line in your side mirror. Step 4. Return the steering wheel to its original position and put the wheels straight. Engage reverse gear and reverse into a parking space. Congratulations, you have successfully parked. Now practice on your own on unloaded sections of road.